Smart home technology is constantly evolving, and one of the most interesting upgrades people are adding to modern bathrooms is a mirror that doubles as a television. The Soulaca 22 inches Smart Touchscreen Magic Mirror TV brings entertainment and functionality together in a way that feels futuristic yet practical for everyday life. At first glance, the device looks like a stylish wall mirror with a smooth glass surface. It blends perfectly into a bathroom environment and keeps the space looking clean and modern. The real surprise appears when the power is turned on. The mirror instantly reveals a bright television screen hidden behind the reflective glass. When turned off again, it goes right back to being a regular mirror, which means it never disrupts the design of the room. The 22-inch display is an ideal size for bathroom viewing. It is large enough to enjoy movies, videos, or news updates clearly while standing at the sink or relaxing in the bathtub. The screen produces sharp visuals and good brightness so content stays visible even when the bathroom lights are on. This makes it comfortable to watch content during morning routines or evening relaxation. Touchscreen support adds another modern layer to the experience. Instead of depending completely on a remote control, the display can be operated directly with simple taps on the screen. Scrolling through menus, opening apps, or adjusting settings becomes very natural and fast. It gives the device the same familiar interaction style people use every day with smartphones and tablets. Bathrooms create challenging conditions for electronics because of humidity, steam, and water exposure. This mirror TV is built with waterproof protection so it can safely operate in those environments. The sealed structure protects the internal components from splashes and moisture, allowing the television to function smoothly even when the room becomes steamy during hot showers. Connectivity is another area where this mirror TV performs well. Built-in Wi-Fi allows the device to connect directly to the home internet network. Once connected, streaming videos, watching online content, or accessing smart apps becomes simple. Whether it is catching up on the latest news, playing music playlists, or watching online shows, the smart connectivity opens a lot of possibilities. Bluetooth capability adds even more flexibility. Wireless headphones or external speakers can be paired easily for a better audio experience. This is useful for people who want stronger sound or prefer listening privately without disturbing others in the house. Another practical feature included in this television is the ATSC digital TV tuner. By connecting an antenna, the device can receive over-the-air broadcast channels. This allows access to local television programs, sports events, and news broadcasts without needing a streaming service. It is a convenient option for users who enjoy live television content. The design of the Soulaca Mirror TV focuses on simplicity and elegance. The reflective glass surface keeps the appearance minimal and modern while hiding the display underneath. This dual-purpose design means the mirror still serves its original function while quietly adding entertainment technology to the room. Wall-mounted installation makes the device feel like a built-in part of the bathroom. Instead of sitting on furniture or countertops, it integrates directly into the wall for a cleaner look. This approach is especially helpful in smaller bathrooms where saving space is important. The built-in speakers provide clear sound quality that works well for casual viewing. Watching videos during morning routines or listening to music while preparing for the day becomes more enjoyable with balanced audio output. For users who want a richer sound experience, Bluetooth makes it easy to connect external speakers. Mirror televisions like this are becoming more popular in modern homes, luxury apartments, and upscale hotels. They combine technology with interior design in a way that feels both functional and stylish. Instead of adding visible electronics to the room, the technology hides inside an everyday object. Having entertainment available in the bathroom might seem unusual at first, but it quickly becomes convenient once experienced. Watching weather updates while getting ready in the morning, streaming videos during a relaxing bath, or listening to music while preparing for the day can make daily routines more enjoyable. Overall, the Soulaca 22 inches Smart Touchscreen Magic Mirror TV offers an impressive mix of design, smart technology, and durability. The waterproof construction ensures safe bathroom use, the touchscreen adds easy interaction, and the smart connectivity features provide endless entertainment options. It transforms a simple mirror into a multifunction smart device that upgrades the entire space. If you are thinking about adding a modern touch to your bathroom, this smart mirror television is definitely worth exploring. The purchase link is available in the description where you can check the latest price and product details.